going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right here is the 2020 Dawes Journey 2020. We'll show you guys how to take off this trim panel and the door handle. Get your flathead screwdriver, guys. There's a piece right down here, right in the middle here. Go ahead and take it out. That's what it looks like. Take that piece out. It goes right down inside here. There is a screw down there that is a T30, guys. T30, right down there. Then this the lock, motor piece for the switch for the window. Go ahead and take out that switch. Just put the flathead right up underneath it, just like that. You're gonna pry it up. Comes right out. Comes out. Unplug it and take it out of it. See? That's the wire. Now, this piece right here, take that piece out as well. Hold the handle out. Take it out. There it is. That piece. Take that piece out. Goes right in there. That's the number 10 and the number fillet. That inside there. 10 and the fillet. That's the number 10 right there, guys. Number 10. And the fillet. That right there is the fillet. One of them. And down here, that's the T30. Start it. That's it. The bubble comes right out. Now, it's time to take off the trim panel. Put your flathead screwdriver, put right between the groove just like that. Pry it out some, and put your hand between it. And then snatch it off of there. Just like that, snatch it off. Now, it's loose. Now I'm going to go up with it and take it off. That's it. Comes right out. Now you guys see why I take out the switch from right here. It's more easier. That's how you take off the trim panel. Now we're going to take off that handle. Alright guys, we're going to take out this bit. Now see that clip? Take that clip from there. Get the one from there as well. Take those two clips from there as well and take this piece off. You guys see that hole right there? This big hole? That screw that I took from right here, there's another one. Right between the hole, straight down, you can't miss it. Turn to the left. T30, same size. See? Falls out. I see that. Comes right out, guys. Now, hold this piece, bring it backwards, and pull it out. See? It comes right out. That's how you do that. Now, I'll show you guys how to take the front door apart. I'll see you in the next video.